Welcome to the Copeland Mobile video series. This video will cover the What's Inside feature. To benefit from this video, you must have downloaded the Copeland Mobile app to your cell phone. If not, you need to visit your app store, enter Copeland Mobile in the search engine, select Copeland Mobile, then download Copeland Mobile to your cell phone or view the Copeland Mobile app download video below. Let's begin. Scan or enter compressor serial, model, or part number. The scanning function requires your phone to have an active camera. If you type in a number, note the quick drop-down menu has several numbers to select from. Select the affected model. Next, select the application. Then select What's Inside. Next, you want to select your model. Once your model is selected, tap OK. Different items should appear based on the model you selected. Thank you for viewing this video. Please click like and subscribe to the Copeland Mobile video series.